Hey, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, your girl will be recreating this makeup look, this very simple and casual makeup look by Nadine Lustre. So nakita niyo, it's very simple, yet it's very gorgeous and it's very easy to achieve, guys. By the way, guys, before we start this video, if meron kayong beauty questions na nahihiya kayong itanong or wala kayong matanungan, then you can always ask me. Your girl is always open for your makeup or beauty questions, whatever they are. Again, my Instagram account is @makeupbabuya. My DM is open 24/7 for whatever beauty queries, questions you have in mind. And of course, please subscribe na rin kayo sa channel ko. If red pa yung subscribe tab below, then you better click it. And once it turns gray, then you are officially part of the Boo Familia. And of course, please turn on the bell button na lang, guys, so that notified kayo every time your girl has a new video. So without any more further ado, let's proceed to the tutorial. So guys, I've already prepped my skin. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see what my skincare routine is. For my base makeup, I will be using Revlon's foundation stick. So ito yung COLORSTAY Life Proof nila. This is in the shade Warm Golden 310. Ayan. Sa mga nalabas nila na foundation sa COLORSTAY ng Revlon, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko, I would say. And it's pretty handy, especially when I go to events or when I do vlogs outdoors, because napaka-handy niya kasi stick foundation siya. And hindi siya heavy sa face kahit stick foundation siya. So what I like to do is I just apply it on the dark areas of my face, especially sa mga parts na may dark marks. Like, dito, heavy talaga yung dark marks ko. Diyan talaga ako inatake ng acne breakouts ko. Here, and a little bit on my forehead kasi meron akong blemish dyan. But I don't apply foundation na sa buong forehead ko. Kasi clear naman siya and even naman yung skin tone ko dyan. So, parang I don't feel the need to apply foundation there or even out the skin tone sa forehead area ko. And then, I'm gonna be blending out this foundation with this NYX brush. So, this is their multi-use buffing brush. I really love this kasi napaka-soft. As in, if you can only feel the bristles, guys, it's so soft. Yan. So, after that, hindi na ako gagamit ng concealer because whenever I use this foundation, I don't feel the need to apply a separate concealer. Alright, so since tapos na ako mag-apply ng base makeup ko, I'm ready to apply my blush. So for my blush, I will be using SUNNIES Face Fluff Matte in the shade On Repeat. So this is my favorite, as in favorite na favorite ko to, na fluff matte shade. As it is the best. It's the best, guys. Highly recommend it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Focalure blush brush, and I heard from one of my boos na 100 na lang to, guys. Yung isang set na to, 100 na lang to kasama tong powder brush na to and iba pang brushes. So, instead of 200 plus, naging 100 na lang siya. So, check out nyo, guys, sa Shopee if hanggang ngayon 100 pesos na lang yung set nila. So, if nakita nyo na ng 100 pesos na lang, go get it, guys, kasi napakamura and it's so good, this brush set. So, highly recommend it. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna gently apply it onto the apples of my cheeks. And since sa picture ni Nadine, medyo subtle lang yung blush niya, I'm gonna grab this foundation brush and I'm just gonna go through the blush again. So, ayan. So, now na mas na-buff out na yung blush, I am ready for the next step. So, now, guys, ready na ako mag-set ng face ko. The powder that I'm gonna be using is from Bench Beauty. So, ito yung powder foundation nila in the shade Pear. And what I love most about this powder, aside from the formula of the powder, is that meron siyang, actually natanggal na, meron siyang parang protective case. Hindi siya yung flimsy na plastic na disposable. Ito, actually, naka-attach yan dito. And it's like, pwede siyang ma-flip, ganyan, guys. Kaso natanggal na siya. But aside from that, it's really good. Kasi it keeps the mirror clean. I'm gonna be using this powder brush from Focalure. And I'm just gonna press it slightly on the pressed powder and gently pat it onto my skin para maset talaga yung base makeup with the powder. And now I'm done. So after that, I'm gonna proceed na on my eyebrows. And my go-to pang kilay right now is from ISSY & Co. So eto yung brow refiner nila. This is in the shade brown. So what I like to do is, I remove the excess product first from the spoolie. I go through the tail of the brow first. And then, sinashape ko muna. The reason why I go through the brow tail first is because yung first dunk, yan yung pinaka maraming brow product pa sa spoolie. Even though I remove the excess product, it still holds like a lot of gel. So that's why I go to the brow tail first para when I go to the brow head, it doesn't look heavy na. And then that's when I proceed na. And then I like to brush it up para mamimic niya yung brow hair. By the way guys, if you want to see my review on ISSY & Co.'s brow products, you can view it right here. And then for my lashes naman guys, I'm gonna curl my lashes with my go-to Bokto curler. And then for my mascara, I'm gonna be using L'Oreal's Lash Paradise. I love this because when I use this mascara, alam ko talaga na it will last throughout the day and even sa gabi and even the next day. If you are wondering kung ano yung go-to ko na mascara, eto siya, yung Lash Paradise ng L'Oreal. And for the lips naman guys, I'm gonna be using again the SUNNIES Face Fluff Matte in the shade On Repeat. But I'm gonna be extra gentle guys in applying this product. Like parang idadab ko lang siya and parang nagtitint lang siya sa lips ko. And then, I'm gonna apply a gloss. So the gloss that I'll be using is from EB Advance. So ito yung vinyl lip gloss nila. So, ayan guys, this look is super duper easy to achieve. As in, ilang products lang yun? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I used only 5 products for this look. It's so nice. It's so natural. It's very easy to achieve. So guys, if you love this look as much as I do, I would love to see you guys recreate this look. And of course, when you recreate it, post nyo na rin sa Instagram nyo, either sa story nyo or sa feed nyo. And make sure when you do, please do tag me. And of course, tag nyo na rin si Nadine Lustre para ma-share ko yung inyong mga recreation. So make sure to tag me guys when you do. And again, if you like this video and you find it helpful, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Message nyo rin ako if meron kayong makeup or beauty questions. My DM is open 24/7. Again, if you have any more makeup video requests, then don't be shy to comment them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.